Today, in this video, we will talk about which professions are seen through the third and fourth houses of the horoscope. We will cover these two houses together. The third house represents courage, effort, and communication. It is deeply connected with media and writing. All professions related to writing and journalism come from this house. Author, scriptwriter, reporter, all are seen here. Businesses connected with paper and stationery, books, notebooks, pens, pencils, and printing presses also belong here. Professions linked to communication and telecom, mobile phones, transmitters, microphones, walkie-talkies are ruled by the third house. Courier services, postal services, and delivery businesses are also included. News reporting, social media, content creation, marketing, and advertising fall here. An MBA in marketing and sales is also connected with the third house. This house also rules physical energy and effort. So careers in sports, athletics, dance, acting, and stunt work are part of the third house. Professions demanding courage like army, police, defense, firefighters, and aviation also come under it. It is also the house of short journeys and transport. Tour and travel agencies, logistics, transport services, and small family businesses with siblings are influenced by this house. The fourth house. The fourth house represents land, property, vehicles, and home. Real estate, property dealing, construction, agriculture, and land investments are connected here. Vehicles used for public or private service, cars, buses, motorbikes, and their related businesses such as sales, servicing, painting, and repairs fall in this house. Since this is the house of home and family, professions linked to household items, furniture, electronics, building materials, interior design, tiles, and paints also come here. The fourth house also rules education up to graduation level, so schools, coaching centers, and colleges are connected with it. Public service, NGOs, and welfare work for mothers and families are part of this house too. Agriculture and dairy products like milk, butter, and ghee also come under it. An important point, the house must be studied with its karaka planets. If the fourth house is strong and Saturn is strong, furniture and steel businesses flourish. If the fourth house is strong and Moon is strong, dairy businesses succeed. If the fourth house is strong and Venus is favorable, electronics will prosper. When both the house and its planets are strong, a small business can grow into a franchise or dealership. If the planets are weak, growth may face obstacles. The fourth house also governs government contracts involving land, buildings, and vehicles. In our next video, we will cover the fifth and sixth houses. Later, we will also explain with real-life chart examples. If you want consultation for your birth chart, if you want answers to your questions, solutions for your problems, remedies for difficult planetary periods, guidance for horoscope, you can contact us at our Telegram splashing on screen. Thank you.